Does that also give any kind of fundings you get from the government for this?
It
rankings?
is funding is not there, but yes, now actually the working of the government one thing is in the mind कि ये मास्टर लोग हैं और ये मास्टर लोगों की सैलरी पूरी तरह से ग्रांट से नहीं देना है. One time will come when you will find no government aided college.
Okay.
No government aided college.
Okay. Why this is shifting?
Because of the fund problem and the working problem also.
Okay.
I'm quoting one example. One of the teacher is teaching in MIT Pune, and one of the teacher is teaching in some grant in aid college. So who is teaching in MIT? He is getting less salary, and this fellow is getting more salary. But MIT accountability is more, responsibility is more, because it is managed privately in a small cluster. Here in Grantinate College, there is no accountability. You will always find them on some chai tapri and pan thela, are going here and there, moving in the classroom also. They may not,
not serious that much.
Not serious that much. So government is on this direction कि इनका fund बंद करके the same fund they are diverting into the funding agencies for the research. To carry out the research, to create the excellence institutions. Not only IIM is not excellent institution. The government want to make every management school competitive with the IIM.
Okay, that's a great vision.
Great vision.
Right.
Why we want to go to VJTI or IIT or COEP? I will go to MIT also, VIT also, because their research, unless until government is funded. देखिए, private management में कितना भी पैसा हो, there are certain limits.
Correct. That's true.
Right.
Correct.
They have to manage the show. But government में तो, if they are diverting this fund to all the colleges, so government college will be back behind.
So they want to push behind government colleges.
They want to create an ecosystem at country level. Our situation on the global scenario about the research and publication and patents, you know better than me. We are nowhere.
That's true.
When we see the number of patents awarded in India, we are on very behind. Very behind. Small countries are far ahead.
With less population.
Yes, with less population.
Yes.
The same thing is in the research also. We don't. Here we failed actually to create the vertical ecosystem in the research. We have created horizontal ecosystem. Say your PhD is on certain topic, right? And my PhD on different topic. We are enemy to each other. You will attract your people, I will attract my people. So there is a horizontal expansion of the research. Because the first student which you will give the topic, it will be your extended topic. What you work in your PhD, to expand that work, you will give. So horizontal columns has been created. But vertically is not created. Vertically, I mean to say the interdisciplinary topic.
Okay.
Management and engineering, if we both are coupled together and giving some problem, so that will be a vertical erection of the research, which in our country is lagging behind. But I'm, as per my experience, I can say one day will come and we will be reaching to that height.
If you have learned or gained knowledge from this podcast, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing to our channel, you will get notifications of all new podcasts that have been released, which are specifically designed for upcoming entrepreneurs, startups and professionals who are working in the industry. And keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.